Hi, I'm Dave with Lonn Manufacturing in Indianapolis. If you work in a shop, factory, or maintenance department, you don't need more tools, you need the right tools. That's why we put together the Workhorse Trio, so you can save money on our 3 most popular tools. Starting with the Water Saver Jet Spray. Brass, leak-proof, built to blast away dirt and debris without falling apart like the cheap plastic ones. Secondly, the Air Saver Model Win. No triggers to break, no leaking air. Just flex the rubber tip and go from a soft blow to a full blast instantly. It's simple, rugged, and nearly indestructible. And third, the Alspray Brass Cleaning Gun. Perfect for solvents, degreasers, and chemicals. Ergonomic and powerful. It applies your liquid of choice fast and evenly. Three tools: water, air, solvent. Everything you need for daily shop work. We build them here in Indiana, and they're designed to outlast you. So if you're tired of replacing your tools year after year, upgrade to the Workhorse Trio. Here we have the Lonn Air Saver, made with a durable rubber tip, bend to spray, release to close. The benefit is it's leak-proof and it delivers a very powerful airflow. Here is a common air blowgun. You squeeze to spray. You hear that? Just sitting there, it's leaking air all day long. I'm going to keep it right at this line. That's the furthest I was able to move that pan. First thing to notice, hear that? I don't either. It doesn't leak air. Bend it to spray. Leak proof. Let's see if this can spray that pan further. No leaking air. More power with the Lonn Air Saver. At Lonn Manufacturing, we make tools that you can trust to get the job done.